welcome back. And what's up, guys? So, today was March 7, 2023, and Jerome Powell spoke today in front of Congress. How did the market react? The market reacted negatively. So, basically, I have a CNN article here that says that stocks closed sharply down after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell appeared before the Senate Banking Committee on Tuesday. So, what about his speech or what about their discussion caused the market to go lower? Is that in his pre prepared statement, he kind of explained that the Fed will likely keep interest rates higher and actually raise them, right? So, the previous forecast, the market believed that we would not see any higher rates, right? Higher rates tend to slow down the economy. They can bring down the cost of basically everything in the economy and the market. And it can also cause a lot of unemployment, increase in loan rates, and also mortgages. So for now, the Fed doesn't see the interest rates having the effect on inflation as it wants, and their proposal is to continue raising rates until they get down to their 2% target, or an average of 2% target. So that's what happened today. Um, and let's just get into it. So I only made one trade today, right? Let me pull it up right here. So I made one trade today, and let me hopefully it stays there. Oh no, it might not stay. But I made one trade today. Can see it here, 29767. That's where I went to the downside, and that was at 125. So let me see where it is here. So at 125, and that would have been this candle. And I was trying to draw a flag pattern. I'm not too clear on how to draw a flag pattern, but I entered on this candle, right, to the downside. So what was it? 267. What was the entry? Let's get to the entry. I'll show you where I had my stop loss. 29767. So 29767, and let me see. I was trying to just risk $100, right? 29767. That was my max risk, and then my take profit would have been my take profit. I was aiming for a 2 to 1, right? 2 to 1. Hmm. All right, aiming for a 2 to 1. So basically, I know where I was entering here. So 29767. I was aiming for 29567 or thereabout. Could be a little higher. And then okay, so this should be 100 ticks. 29867. Yeah. So this is a perfect 2 to 1 risk reward. However, as you can see, it didn't come all the way down to that. So I was able to capture the move to the downside. I took some drawdown here, but it still didn't get even close to my stop loss, and I was able to take it to the downside. The thing about this, however, is that if you aim for the perfect 2 to 1, you might not be able to get it because the market just does not push all the way down, right? So what I did today is that around 3 o'clock, I was like, yeah, I am taking this trade. Like, it took a push down. Let me just exit right now. I'm comfortable with what I made. So I exited at 29. See what exactly this is. I'm not fooling around. This 29607. 29607. So this was a 1.6 to 1 risk reward. And then that basically net me a profit of $158 there, right? And this was a trade I held for basically an hour and a half. So let me show you what I was seeing. So while I'm entering on this candle, right? While I'm entering on that candle, and that these doji candles are generally like they're like the main indecision candle, and they can kind of push you in a specific direction. So that's like where the market is at a standstill, doesn't know what to do, and then whoever has the stronger bid gets to take over the trend, I guess. But what I was looking at as well was the MACD. So I entered this also looking at the MACD. Could see price got a little bullish here, and then it started to die off. It started to die off. So I was thinking if the MACD started to go red, which would mean selling pressure, there's a high likelihood that this candle would turn into more bearish candles, and it actually proved right. I'll be using the MACD a bit more. What I didn't like is that I wasn't getting much. I didn't get any indicator. Let me see. I got an indicator at the first point. I got an indicator here, but I didn't take this. But I also got an indicator here, but by then I was still in the trade. And then I got out on this candle as it was a bullish engulfing candle. So this is like a bullish trend going to the upside, right? But that was basically it for today. Let's see what else. How did Bitcoin react? It should have reacted similar to that, probably at 22. Okay. This is a lot interesting. That's very interesting. You see how Bitcoin has a stronger MACD here. So it's like Bitcoin is having a push to the upside, or is it gonna short from here? It's very interesting. And then let's see what Tesla did. It should have done something closer resembling the market. Okay. So we had up movement. We had a three-line strike bear to the downside, hitting off multiple levels, hitting an EMA here. And then we could see the kind of the weakness start to die down, and we could have entered to the downside right from here. The confluence would have been boom, three line strike bear. Second, you have a doji. Third, you have a EMA. Fourth, you also have dying MACD. That's four confluences. Take it to the downside, stop loss above here, let it rock. Let it rock. That's a nice trade. So I think I'm seeing a bit more in the market, and we're gonna see a lot more consistency as it goes forward. Not counting my exit for the latch, but let's just keep working at it. That's why I work every single day, and I post every single day the trades, so I can journal and get better every single day. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It's shorter than the usual. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. It's a fucking Wednesday. I hate trading on Wednesdays. All right, guys. Bye bye. I'll see ya.